a trig function. Okay. X equals, not u sub, you're not doing u sub here. We only use this method when u sub fails. X equals whatever this square root is, which is 5. And since we decided we're going to do sine inverse, we're going to do sine theta. Okay? And then we're going to find the derivative of that. Derivative of this is
Negative 5. No.
Just put it on the other. Yeah.
positive or negative?
Positive cosine.
Positive cosine, we are finding the derivative, not the integral. Positive 5 cosine theta d theta. I'm going to do some simplifying in my head. Only for the first problem, I'll show the little steps. After that, it's going to be in my head. Dx will be replaced with this whole thing, right? What we are actually doing here is making this problem more complicated so that we can simplify it.
Why can't we simplify it from right there?
We can't. If you did do u sub, can we u sub for anything here?
Not really.
If you do u sub for x squared, for example, or x, you will have an extra, like this thing that we can solve. So we have to actually go to a different function to do this. Okay, now x squared is going to be replaced with whatever the square of this is.
So 25 sine squared.
Yep,
Oh,
theta.
Whatever the
Okay, now
square.
25 stays as that, and then the x squared here is another 25 sine squared theta. Are we good with that?
Over 25
Oh wow.
sine squared theta.
Missed my handwriting, I'm telling you.
I'm just
did
tired.
you eat breakfast?
Yeah.
Do you need water?
I have enemy
Do you need
grades.
coffee?
No, I don't like coffee.
Missed my handwriting, I'm telling you. It's like,
I have mini
Okay,
Oreos. I have
Melissa is recording me. For the
Okay,
record,
thank you.
Sebastian, you have wonderful handwriting.
thank you, miss.
And you're never going to talk about your handwriting ever again for the rest of the semester.
Please don't.
Okay.
Okay. We are going to simplify inside the integral so we can make this problem less complicated. 25. Aaron, questions? No? You just missed Nelson over the weekend for 3 days? We are going to factor the 25 out. So that will give us this. What? Aaron, what do you want? Are you good?
What did we do?
I have no idea.
Potential spam.
You factor out to 25.
Is
Oh.
it like a 1-800 number?
808.
Okay.
It's Hawaii.
Maybe
Ooh,
I
who's
just
calling you from Hawaii?
I don't know. I don't know. They probably have like a free ticket to go live in Hawaii for the rest of my life.
No, you can't take it.
I will take it
No.
without even thinking. Like
No.
if they call me and they say you can come spend the rest of your life in Hawaii
Oh,
with or
expensive.
without family, but everything is for free for you, I'm taking it.
Oh,
Bring your
expense paid.
family?
Yeah, I can come visit my family whenever I
That's
want.
that's
That's
You
crazy.
know.
Miss,
Okay,
what about us?
yeah.
what about you?
Yes.
Hello?
That's even more crazy. That's hilarious.
Can I come?
No.
Can
You-
we?
Can you
Me.
please figure out how I got the 25 out first? What did I do?
You
I
factored it
factored
out
Okay.
somehow.
Okay. Natalie, it's like, what, man? Okay. Now tell me how to simplify from here. Cap coupon.
Oh gosh.
The 5.
What is 5?
Like 5 divided.
No, I'm not worried about the fraction part.
You can turn sine squared x into 1
Hey, where did the square root of
minus
where should the square root of the thingy go?
One more chance.
Oh gosh.
Natalie! What did you say? Why?
Because.
Mm-hmm.
Identity?
Yep.
Mmm.
Okay, I'm gonna get rid of that parentheses. It's not needed. Okay. Now more simplifying to do. This 25 square root of 25 cosine squared theta is what?
5 cosine squared theta?
Yep. See now, we made it complicated. Now we're simplifying it. See how the 5 cosine theta and the 5 cosine theta goes
Cancel
away, leaving us with 1 over
25.
25, 1 sine squared. I don't like this. Hold on. I don't. Whoops.
Nope.
Here, I'm just gonna keep it like that. I'm gonna factor the 25. I mean, I'm gonna take the integral, the 25 out of the integral, anyways. Okay.
Bless you.
1 over 25 is gonna come out of the integral because I don't want to do it right now. Integral 1 over sine squared theta d theta. Oh. Can you also tell me what's the antiderivative of cosecant square x dx?
negative 1 over a of cotangent.
Okay. So if there was an a, then you would divide by that. Yeah? Like the chain rule, but you're dividing by it? You will figure that out.
Oh
Okay.
gosh.
Also give me, I don't think we need it for now, but in case we need it, I'll come back to it. So 1 over sine squared theta is what? Trig. Yep,
Yep. Good.
What is cosecant squared?
yep. See? You're gonna do all of trig today. Like everything that you learned in trig is gonna be in one problem today.
Yep.
What's the antiderivative of cosecant squared theta?
Negative 1
Negative.
1 over 8.
Huh?
Huh?
Yeah, what, we don't have an a for theta here, it's just one.
Cotangent? Just 1.
Just cotangent, right? Cotangent theta plus c, obviously. But our problem was actually in what alphabet?
Huh?
What?
X?
Our original problem was in x. What is our answer in?
Data.
We don't like that.
Oh,
Oh no.
We can't do that. We have to change it back to x. How do we change this back to x? Let's
Just
go
put
back.
in the X.
Yeah, get.
What did we say x was?
5 sine theta.
Okay, how do we rewrite it in terms of theta?
Wait, can you go back down?
Inverse. Okay, tell me how do I do it? Like, okay, actually, let me keep it over here, and then I'm gonna bring back our substitution. 5 sine theta.
Yep.
Is that what we did?
Mhm.
Yeah. Okay, how do we rewrite this? I want you to solve for theta, basically. Solve for theta.
It's too early for this.
What did Sebastian say?
I don't know. I heard something.
Huh?
Shut up before you get us in trouble.
Theta is
Here's
equal
for
to
my
what?
Latina eyes.
Is it sine inverse x over 5?
Good job, Jackie. You
You're
deserve
so
a
smart.
cal
Oh my
coupon.
goodness.
Cal coupon, you are doing that now?
Yeah, they get 5 stamps. So for every 5 stamps, they
ju-
get to retake 1 quiz.
Did you say
Cannot keep track of your
Randomness.
trade coins.
Not everybody will get a cal coupon. Like to earn 1 stamp is hard. Natalie is earning a lot. Maybe I should just stop with Natalie.
Wait,
No more stamps for Natalie. I make up new rules every day, children.
Yeah,
We know.
yeah.
you finally realized it?
That's the beauty of a college instructor.
How did you
Do
get
whatever
that?
you want.
Do whatever I want.
You divide it by 5
Forever.
on both sides and then do inverse.
Oh.
Okay, David is wondering, now that his wisdom is gone. Okay, here we go, David. Let's fill up that empty spot some with wisdom.
Oh.
Divide by 5 on both sides. Yeah? And then inverse of that. Every time it happens during Calc 2, some child will go get their wisdom teeth pulled out. Remember it happened like, I think Emmanuel got his wisdom teeth pulled out? Somebody did.
Track of
Like,
people's teeth, huh?
I know. You know, it always happens during Calc 2. David just got his wisdom teeth pulled out.
Oh, is that what happened?
Yeah.
Oh, you looked a little less wise. Huh?
Poor David.
Okay. We're not done though.
Yeah, we can tell.
Okay, we can replace the theta with
X
this
over 5.
sine inverse of
Oh my
x over 5. But unfortunately, we don't like this answer.
Again.
Miss, what is an answer you do like?
I will tell you that.
After.
Long time ago,
Oh my.
I taught you how to solve this problem.
Yeah, a long time ago.
I don't even
Is
recognize
it
that.
4 5 triangle?
Yes, but not. Because we don't know what x is. You are, but you do deserve a cal coupon because you were thinking of triangle. Okay, no more cal coupons for today.
Arbitrary rules.
We are going to make a triangle. Every time we have a trig expression like that, it's a value. But the value, all of those values must be in terms of x. Okay. And we're going to call this, let's see what I do. I will call this theta. If this is theta, where would I put my x in the 5? What is sine inverse? Sine inverse of x over 5 will always
Opposite
return an angle. So this is an angle. That I call that angle as theta. Where will the x and the 5 go? X goes here,
And
5 goes here. Okay. Now, how do we find the adjacent side? Okay, which would be
5 squared
5
minus
squared minus x squared, square root of that. So square root 5 squared is
25
minus
x squared.
Okay. This whole, the one that in yellow is theta. Now, what is cotangent of theta?
Cotangent of
I thought I had
Is
something
sine
here.
over-
Maybe I removed it. Huh?
Sine over cosine?
No,
sine
that's
over
that
sine.
tangent.
Cosine over sine.
Okay, tell me the sides. Cotangent is what over what?
Adjacent over opposite.
Adjacent over opposite.
yeah.
Because it's a reciprocal of tangent. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. Cotangent is adjacent over opposite. So what is our adjacent side?
Square root of 25 minus x.
Square root of 25 minus x squared over opposite side, which is x. See, didn't I tell you? We'll apply all of trig in one problem. Everything trig.
So that's the answer?
That's the answer.
all things trig.
Now, can I just go ahead and cancel the x and the x over here, 25, the 25 over here, and say
No.
it's -1?
No.
No.
Doesn't make sense. Don't do it. Don't simplify things wrong. So to make it look nice without all these parentheses and stuff, what you could do is put the negative like this. Make sure the fraction bar is over the numerator completely, and then you can do that. That's fine. You know, not to
keep it
have
like
all of
this.
those around. But either way, it's fine. I don't really care how you do it. I'm gonna leave the tough things for you to do.
Yes.
That's because that's one problem.
30 minutes.
It will go faster.
No, it won't.
Wow, I thought you were always positive.
This is what you should do to train your brain to do math in the morning at 8 o'clock. Even during the weekends, you're gonna set an alarm to wake up at 7 o'clock. And you will pretend that you are in my classroom at 8 o'clock and you will do your calculus homework for 30 minutes. No, I'm not I'm not joking, children.
We know.
Emiliano Menchaca is a sophomore at college. And he is doing math at 8 o'clock in the morning because he had calculus 2 8 o'clock in the morning. And his brain is tuned to that.
Wow.
And he does really well 8 o'clock in the morning. And that is actually true. My ancestors were really wise, okay? And they're from the earliest old civilization, okay? Not the European civilization, older than that. And there is a saying in our, like not a saying, a belief. Like my grandmother, when I was little, she would wake me up at 5 o'clock in the morning when I had test in school. I will tell her to wake me up at 5 o'clock in the morning because your brain is really active between 5 a.m. and 10 a.m. in the morning if you go to bed at 8 p.m.
Well.
So maybe you should go to bed at 8 p.m.
That's a push.
Okay.
Maybe like 11.
Let's do the next example. Remember, you're finding your purpose in life. Come on.
Jeez, miss. So what? We're just dragging ourselves through life until Calc 2?
Exactly.
Calc 2 defines us. We are Calc 2.
You were chosen.
Oh,
This was your destiny.
now that it sounds like a quote. Can I opt out of this quote?
Oh, I'm reading too much of Wolf and Fairies and all those fantasy books. Okay.
Alright, so we're gonna
What are we gonna sub for this one? Why secant?
secant because it's x minus a.
Yep.
Calculus?
Let's do it.
She
No.
said no more coupon for today. Oh my gosh.
Try again tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay.
No, never.
Oh, not A. It would be 2 secant theta.
Oh,
Why 2?
because
The square root
The
of
square root of
4.
4.
Yep.
Okay. Now dx is what?
It's gonna be yep.
The 10 theta. D.
D theta.
Okay, so dx is the same as
That whole thing.
this whole thing over x squared is the same as mm,
4
4
secant squared
theta.
theta.
Remember to square the 2. And in the square root we have okay, the process is still the same thing. So it's not, the more you do it, the more math you will do inside your brain. Factor out the 4 from the square root. And that will give us secant square theta minus 1. What is secant square theta minus 1?
Tangent squared.
Tangent square theta. I just did that math in my head.
What math?
All that.
You factored out the 4.
So that gave us secant squared theta minus 1,
Okay.
which is tangent squared theta.
I'm just writing dx. This is too much.
Make sure your d theta is d theta, not in terms of x. Okay. What is the square root of 4 tangent squared theta?
2 tangent.
Perfect. The 2 goes away. Tangent theta goes away. 1 of the secant theta goes away from the denominator, leaving us with everything in the denominator.
Miss, 1 second, please.
Yep. I am going to just write this down and then you do your simplifying and see if it matches.
Yo, I'm so far behind this.
Okay, hold on. The tan cancels with the tangent. Okay. The 2 cancels out with the 2. And then one of the secants. Getting there.
I
Look
got
at Aaron. He saved his trig identity sheet. Should I give you a calc coupon for that?
Yes, miss.
He said no.
Oh.
Use it. We didn't have a choice either way.
For what?
The question you asked.
No.
Now I'm gonna think twice about your questions.
Okay, are we good with that understanding over here? I'm gonna drag the 1/4 out of the integral because I don't have it within the integral. What is 1 over secant theta? Cosine theta. And what is the antiderivative of cosine theta?
Positive sign.
Good job. Plus C. Obviously, our answer should be in all x's. So what did we substitute for x? Secant theta? 2 secant theta? So theta would be
Secant inverse.
inverse of x over 2. And then what do we do? We can't leave it like this.
Triangle.
Triangle.
What the
Since
heck?
we have secant inverse, can I move on?
Yep.
Where do I put the x and the 2?
There.
Secant is
The reciprocal of
and
Opposite.
adjacent. It's a reciprocal of cosine.
Oh,
Cosine is adjacent over
Has to be
hypotenuse.
the hypotenuse.
2 is no.
No, because secant.
Trucy. It's me.
Okay.
If it helps, write that down so you can match it up here. X is the hypotenuse. And 2 would be the adjacent side to theta.
So it's going to be square root of x squared minus 2 squared.
Minus 2
4.
squared, which is 4. So then, what would sine theta be? Because this is our theta. Sine is what? Opposite over hypotenuse. So sine will be square root of x minus 4 over x. And you can leave it like that. I don't care.
2x.
Can I put 4x?
Yep.
Okay.
You could put 4x if you want. Yeah.
1
Just be careful about making sure the square root only stays for the numerator.
Okay, I'm kinda getting it.
Do you need me to like make
Miss,
it smaller so you can see the entire problem?
would they be pi?
Pi? What do you mean?
Like, you know how we start with dx? Would
You asked for pi, example 3.
wait, what? No, I was asking.
Danny.
What? It's already there. Don't blame me.
You were
Never
asking.
mind. It was already
Okay.
there.
Example 3. What kind of integral is that?
Definite.
Definite integral, which means what are we expecting?
We're going to find it and then we
And
use
like
the
a
hours.
numerical answer. Okay. Huh?
Nothing.
Okay. I told you how to cheat with the calculator. If you don't know how to find, if you forgot your unit circle memorization.
Oh yeah,
No.
huh? Like tangent.
I did. I used your calculator
Like-
to teach
Oh.
you.
Tangent of square root of 3 is like 1.72 or something, right?
Yeah. Okay. Shall we?
No.
No.
No, this please.
The
Okay.
questions, we don't have a choice.
So x is gonna be, this one's actually gonna be tangent inverse. So it's gonna be x.
Tangent,
Yeah.
Why is it tangent?
not tangent.
Or wait, never mind. It's gonna be sine.
It is.
It's tangent?
Yeah, because it's plus.
Because it's plus. It doesn't matter if it's a square root or not. If it is a radical, then we are using our trig function substitution.
Oh, okay.
Okay, because when we take square root of something, it's gonna you're gonna have a whole number answer for that, so we don't have to worry about that. It's a plus between the two, plus between the two. So we're gonna substitute x equals tangent theta. Okay? I just refer to this. This has nothing to do with the antiderivatives here, but it is helpful for you to figure out which one goes with which by looking at the pattern over here. That's all. Okay. You'll get it. Okay. X equals what?
1 over 3?
3 tangent theta.
3
3
tangent?
tangent theta?
Mhm.
Okay, remember this is our definite integral. We do not have to switch back to the original if we switch our bounds here already. I would rather do that than switching back to the original and plugging in the bounds from the original. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yep.
Here, see how we switched back from theta to x at the final answer? We don't have to do that if we have a definite integral and we switch our bounds right away. Because if we do this, then it becomes more complicated and I don't want to deal with that. Okay. So which means, once I find the derivative of all of these, I'm going to also match up my bounds with the new theta. Okay? Okay, so what is dx?
3 secant squared theta?
D theta.
D theta, yeah.
Okay. Now we're going to switch our bounds as well to match with our new theta bounds. So when x is 0, what would theta be?
Tangent of 0 is...
No.
Or
What are we plugging in for 3? X or theta?
Huh?
It's 0.
Sorry. What are we plugging in 0 for? X or theta?
x. X.
For x.
So when...
Because this is in x, the bound is x equals 0. So 0
When is tangent 0?
equals 3 tangent theta. Then you're going to solve for theta.
Yeah, 0 over
Divide everything by 3, you get 0
which would be pi over
equals
2.
tangent theta. What is tangent inverse of 0?
Pi over 2? No?
Wherever sine is 0, that's where tangent is 0.
Oh, so 0.
It is 0. Can you please take your calculator, put your calculator in radian mode, and do tangent inverse of 0 for me? I don't want you to be making mistakes here. See, if you made a mistake here, the entire problem is wrong. You lost 10 points.
Oh, we don't want that.
Huh?
We don't want to lose 10 points. Right?
Yes.
You do? I'm just
No,
kidding.
we don't.
Okay,
Good morning, Dave.
now we're gonna plug in what?
3.
Oh, we don't have time for a break. Let's finish this and then take a break, okay?
So now it's pi over 2. No. It's going to be pi over 4.
Okay, divide everything by 3. You will get 1 equals tangent theta. And theta will be tangent inverse of 1, which is
Pi over 4.
pi over 4. You might write 45 degrees and I will take points off for that. We want
That's
in radians, no degrees.
Crazy. Okay.
Okay,
Wait,
so,
what? Where? Never mind.
okay, now let's go back to the problem. This is just the bounds. So instead of 0, our bound for theta is 0. Instead of 3, it is pi over 4. I'm gonna put the new bounds in yellow. Our dx is no longer dx, it is 3 secant square theta d theta over square root of 9 plus, oh, okay, never mind, I thought I made a mistake. Okay, what is x squared? 9 tangent square theta. I'm gonna let you look at that and understand what happened there. Because after that it's just a simple, oh, we are going to do the antiderivative of secant x here. David, do you want to switch some so the sun is not in your face or something?
Like this.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
Questions? Are we good?
Yeah.
Should we continue? I just plugged in for x, that's all. I just substituted everything.
And then you'll get 3 plus 3 tangent.
Yeah.
over-
Yep. Now let's keep the integral for now, okay? We'll simplify now. I don't want to mess things up right now. Here, I factor out the 9 inside the square root.
6 tangent theta.
Factor out the 9. That'll give us 1 plus tangent square theta. What is 1 plus tangent square theta?
Secant.
Secant square theta. So inside the square root, I have 9 secant square theta. I'm trying not to put too many steps in there, so that way you're not lost in what happened, right? If there are things that you can do in your head without having to write it down. Okay, so now I'm going to remove the square root. So square root of 9 is
3.
square root of secant square theta is secant theta. I remove the square root. Now I'm simplifying all the numbers and whatnot. So 3 goes away. The entire denominator actually goes away, leaving us with just the 1 of that secant theta d theta in the numerator. This is what we have right now. Okay, so integral 0 to pi over 4 secant theta d theta. What's the antiderivative of secant theta?
And then tan x plus secant x.
Not this or this. Okay, don't get confused. It's this. The new one that I asked you to add on to your stuff.
Because that's secant tan and that's secant squared.
Okay, so now the antiderivative of secant theta is ln. Absolute value, don't miss that. It's not a square bracket, you have to have an absolute value. See, either tangent theta or secant, it doesn't, the order inside the absolute value doesn't matter because it's just an addition. We are not going to put a plus c because
We're going to solve.
we are going to actually find the numerical answer to this. we have bounds.
Okay.
Okay.
We have to change it back to X.
No, that's why we changed the bounds. That is why I'm telling you to change the bounds so we don't have to go back. Okay. ln of secant of pi over 4. I'm plugging in the upper bound minus the lower bound of tangent of pi over 4 minus ln of secant 0 plus tangent 0. You're not going to use a calculator, by the way.
We need an exact answer.
We need exact. Yeah,
Does it matter what order secant and tan goes?
no. Because inside it's a plus, so the order doesn't matter.
Secant pi over 4.
Is 1.
Oh my gosh, I forgot all. I think I'm getting old. What's that property called? Not commutative property.
What?
Cosine of pi
Shit.
over 4.
I-
1 over square root of 2 over
Never
2.
mind. Okay. What is secant of pi over 4?
1 over square root of 2 over 2.
Huh?
Huh?
Oh my gosh.
Okay, yes. 1 over square root of 2 over 2, which is 2 over square root of 2.
Yeah.
Or just square root of 2. Can you just memorize a unit circle? Again. Please.
Continue. Just continue.
Pi over 4 is 45 degrees. What is cosine of 45 degrees? Look at your unit circle. Square root of 2 over 2.
Yes.
Okay, that is actually in rationalized form.
Okay.
I just re-rationalized it.
Okay.
So like 2, you know? This,
Yes.
you know what I mean? It'll be just square root of 2.
Okay.
I think you just have to memorize it. Like memorize everything, you know? So much easier if you memorize everything.
I get it.
So square root of 2. Okay, you know what? You can't use calculator on this anyways. I don't know what you will do with your calculator. You're gonna plug in things wrong.
Plus
And
1.
then give me random things. What is tangent of pi over 4?
1.
Okay, at least you know that part.
Damn.
What is secant of 0?
1 over 0.
What is cosine of 0?
0. 1.
1.
1. Cosine of 0 is 1. Sine of 0 is 0. Oh my gosh. What do you have during 5th period this week actually? No, this week? Yeah, this week. Nothing. You're gonna come here. If you have nothing, you're gonna come here and sit here so you can review unit circle again because 5th period I have trig. I'm gonna teach that. And I will be quizzing you all. If you come here during 5th period, I'm looking at you and I'm gonna put you to shame if you can't answer the question. I don't mind embarrassing children.
We know.
If you don't want the embarrassment, memorize it.
Oh, don't come.
Secant of 0. Gosh, are you recording all of these and putting it on the like YouTube for the world to see?
Yes.
Secant of 0 is
1.
1 because it's 1 over cosine of 0.
Which is
cosine
1.
of 0 is 1. 1 over 1 is 1.
Yep.
They're going to know you as the math lady. The crazy math lady.
You need to cut that out before you put it. Okay, what is tangent of 0?
What?
The part
Tangent.
where I'm yelling at you.
Oh.
Tangent of 0.
What's tangent again? Sine over
What a
cosine.
sign is 0.
0 divided
Wherever
by 1.
sine is 0, tangent is 0. Tangent of 0.
0.
0, because it's sine of 0 over cosine of 0. 0 over 1 is 0.
Yeah.
Wait, so that's ln of 1, which is just 0, and then we're left with
Oh, this is the answer. Good job. Why is that the answer? 1 plus 0 is 1. ln of 1
that.
is
0.
0. So, that's the answer.
ln of 1 is 0?
Yes.
Okay.
That one is the answer. The one that I circled is the answer.
It's okay, miss. It's not like an actual channel. I just made a little one.
Well, you have a channel.
No.
Oh.
So that you can post the videos so
Yeah,
I
yeah,
can
yeah,
share
yeah.
them.
Make sure it's not public.
It's not.
Okay.
Imagine like Miss
I'm a
one
very
goes
private
viral.
person. I don't like my videos on public.
Miss, you're gonna be famous tonight.
Yeah.
Okay, are you in the mood for example 4 right now, or do you think your brain needs a break for 5 minutes?
I think we need like, yeah, we should keep going.
We should
You
keep
look
going?
so majestic, bro. Oh,
Everybody agrees?
the way the sun is hitting you,
Okay.
bro. Like,
She doesn't agree.
I
she
said let's
doesn't-
keep going, Miss.
Isn't that fun to do a lot of math?
No.
Whatever you say. Remember, we don't have a choice. Or whatever she asks.
I could have like stayed home, but like I love this song.
Her
so I
too. She
can't.
could have been reading her book.
I know. I know. Oh, so good.
Why is there polynomial?
Okay, integral dx over, oh my god, you're
Is this
gonna love
secant?
this.
Miss, is it secant? I don't think it is.
Oh, what do we do here?
Oh, wait.
Verify that the area of a
We
circle with radius.
Do not ever
Is pi
factor
r
if it is
squared?
under a square root.
What the hell?
We only factor when we are actually doing linear partial fraction method. Remember linear? Hello?
Yeah,
You
that
need
was
to know
like
all of this
that
by
was
the
like-
end of this month, children.
that was like last week, right?
We
Linear
need to know what,
partial-
but
All of it.
what's all of it?
everything we've done.
Everything that you have learned so far. Okay, tell me what
Memorized.
to do here. Tell me something.
Uh,
I will correct you if you're wrong.
You
Complete the square. Ah,
amazing.
Blake read the directions.
Oh yeah.
Why
huh.
are we completing the square?
Because
Completing the square will help us put this in this format.
and also because the integrand involves a plus b plus c.
Yeah.
Yep. See.
So it's x plus
Quick maths.
2 to the power of
Supposed to do this face.
Yep.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Minus 4 from 8, which is
No, I thought it was minus 4 squared.
Huh? No, that would be 16.
minus 2 squared.
Oh.
Which, okay, once you complete this part, you're always squaring this constant, right? Whatever that number is, which is 2 squared is 4.
4.
That number
Then
is subtracted
mi-
from the 8, which is 8 minus 4 is
4.
positive 4. So plus 4 goes here. Okay.
My head is round.
Mental note to yourself. Make sure you know how to complete the square inside your head. Make sure you know how to factor inside your head. Make sure you know how to do U sub inside your head. Okay. Now it is of what format? Inverse tangent format, right? Kind of like that.
Yeah.
So what are we then substituting?
Wait, what?
Huh?
It's gonna be 4
What?
tangent.
What?
Oh, okay.
Do you want me to do U sub first and then switch to theta, or are you okay with not doing that?
What?
Okay. I will do this step by step for you.
My foot.
This part is some variable squared.
Mm-hmm.
In this case,
It's a.
it was a x. But it could be x plus 2, it could be x plus 4, it could be x minus 16, it could be x plus 1000, but it's still going to stand as it is. So whatever this is, instead of calling it x is just some variable. In this case, our x is what? Children, I can't teach two people that are yawning and like lost. I'm gonna give you a 2 minutes break. You're gonna breathe and do yoga for 2 minutes, and then we will come back to this problem.
Miss, I feel really dumb.
Darn, me too.
Also, should I return this or keep this?
The pastor shoes.
The what?
These are my new shoes. I went shopping yesterday and I hated it every minute of it.
Are they comfortable?
I don't know, actually. I feel I should go one size down.
Maybe.
But
No, you will
they
grow
don't
in
sell
them.
5.5. This is
Your
6.
foot is
Get a
so
5.
small.
Yes.
Get a 5.
No, 5 is too tight. I don't think they sell 5.
They're big, return them.
No, they're not big. I mean, I like these. I always wear Skechers. It's fine. Or Allbirds. It's like, I like it.
Me too, I like these.
Too many life decisions to make. And I'm like trying
Why
to
did you
walk
hate
around with this. I don't know. I just don't want to make any choices in my life.
So you went shopping and you hated it?
Yes. And I dragged my 2 children with me, and I think they will never, ever come shopping with me ever again in their lives. And I hated it. This is why I don't like shopping. I don't go shopping. I don't like it.
I hate it.
I stick with one website, and I know exactly what size to buy from that website, and that's all my clothes are from Old Navy. You don't even have to ask me if you do an outfit check on me. Old Navy, Skechers.
Austin bought a t-shirt for Old Navy yesterday.
Yay.
It was like a
The problem is, the reason why I went shopping is I wanted something to wear for my trip. You know?
All the way.
Yeah. And I hated it. It was like, I don't know. Not good, not good, not good, not good, not in my size. Too bad. I'm just gonna go with the t-shirt and jeans. I think that's my style. But the problem is you can go to certain restaurants and clubs or casinos, especially in the evening, if you don't have a proper attire. They have dress codes.
You gotta
So,
like be like.
I think I'm just gonna avoid
Why
them.
not? Why not? I said I like Old Navy too, and she laughed at me.
Yo, that was tough. Yo, she can.
Okay,
Sit it, boy.
it's 2 minutes now. Did you get a break?
Why did you even give us a break if you're wanting the 2 minutes to be?
Okay,
I
9:10.
don't
We
either.
will resume.
No.
How
What
about
should I
you?
do, children?
A what?
Knockout.
Should I keep it or not keep it?
Keep
Okay, I'm
them.
gonna walk faster and kind of figure it out. This is why I don't
She
like
doesn't
shopping.
know.
How much were they?
That's Miss Rankumar. You just go home, look on the website, and then look at the location, and you can see whichever ones you want. And then when you go in store, you can try them all. The ones that you like.
They don't have it in store. That's why I went to store in person, or I would have ordered
That's
online.
what I'm saying, Miss Rankumar. Look
Oh.
on the website. Or just go get your money back and then you could just buy them.
Just get a pair of Crocs.
Yes.
You know what? Crocs not allowed in any restaurant
Oh.
in Vegas.
Vegas.
Yes, that's where I'm
Oh,
going.
why not?
Are you gonna gamble?
No,
No. Come on, miss. Gambling's like the
Why are
best.
you going to Las Vegas if you don't gamble?
you guys are young.
Young.
I guess they have nice restaurants.
I mean, we're gonna be on that casino strip, so.
You can go and see all the miniature like.
I don't have to go to Vegas to gamble.
You could gamble here. You're right.
What happens?
And
They do have a lot of gambling stuff in Montreal.
We're not getting hangover.
I'm not
party.
gambling. Hello, children. I'm not gambling, okay? If I had gambled, I think I would not be a teacher.
So, as in,
I'm a
you would have been in debt.
If I had that personality, I would not. If risk-taking personality, I would not have been a
Your
teacher.
degree, I'm gambling.
That, this guy.
You know what? Okay. Because you have the money.
Maybe I will just have to get used to it.
You got motion like that? Tap,
But
tap, tap.
outside of that, you can get a
It's crooked.
I'm not a Crocs person.
Okay.
I don't.
That's why you don't wear them.
I hate them.
I'll never leave
I hate the
Vegas.
texture. I hate the look. I don't like the shape. And I don't know how that is comfortable anyways.
It's like
What?
slippers. It's like slippers you can wear.
Crocs, yes.
I don't find them comfortable either.
I don't wear slippers either. It's just because I am old and I trip a lot. I know.
Well, how's are you gonna win big?
Yeah.
Her barefoot.
Our slippers.
What?
I hated there are things that I hated in my childhood trauma. It's not like big of a trauma, like things that you hate, right? You know, as a child, and when I have
Tomatoes.
the freedom to do my own thing, I'm not choosing those. One thing is braiding your hair. I will.
The pigtails.
Yeah.
Yes, that was my
Little
life
ribbon at the end.
as a 2-year-old until I graduated high school. 17 years of my life, actually 16 years of my life, actually even in college a little bit. So 18 years of my life was spent braiding my hair. No, I'm not doing it.
And the
ever
little
again.
ribbons.
I actually do braid my hair. Well, there's nothing to braid anymore. I do braid my hair when I go to bed, but
What's the trauma with slippers?
I never got to wear shoes other than my school shoes, which has to be polished. And I never got to wear fancy shoes. It's slippers or shoes.
Your school shoes.
Don't worry, miss. I got like the same 2 pairs of
Huh?
shoes.
You wear tennis shoes around the house.
No, you don't wear shoes inside the house.
You're barefoot.
Yes. Which Asian wears shoes inside their house?
They have house shoes.
No
A
one.
person who isn't Asian.
No
They wear
one.
like
House
slippers or
House,
socks.
yeah, house.
No, we don't wear socks. We are in 100-degree Fahrenheit weather. You want to wear socks on your feet?
No, like
Not
when
while I'm
it's
sleeping.
cold.
The floor is
When it's
cold.
cold.
It never gets cold. You know what one of my mom said? Oh, it's so cold in here. We are freezing. We have the fans all switched off. You know what the weather is, temperature
I guess in
is?
India,
70.
I guess in
That's
India,
like
they're not
boiling.
wearing socks on.
I know, your guys'
No one
summer are
wears
not
anything.
hot.
It's barefoot inside the house. It's not clean because you actually wash your feet when you go inside
Yeah.
traditionally. So you don't wear socks. You don't bring outside shoes inside. Oh no! Oh my
No.
gosh! Not even here. When I go to
And
visit
that's
my
why
Indian
slippers
friends,
exist.
we leave our shoes outside.
But that's why slippers.
We don't wear anything. Even slippers are
Just
like whatever.
Barefoot.
Wait,
Yeah.
you wear shoes inside your house?
No. Well, I have like
House
the
shoes.
rug.
Oh.
Yeah,
where, like, you
right.
Put all your
Yeah,
outside shoes.
Yeah. But anyway, so yeah, those 2 are things I'll never do it ever in my life. I actually did. I did actually some rebellious things that you don't think it's a rebellious thing, but I just do it because
In her
I had
times,
control
it was
over it.
very
You were a
bad.
rebel, miss?
like
Yeah.
piercing your nose.
Ooh.
Where you pierce?
People traditionally pierce their right side. I
Oh,
said
yeah.
no, until you have left.
Oh,
Okay.
Even though piercing was not a choice that was given
Where
to
did
me.
it close?
Like you have to pierce
Is it
your
like
nose.
so you wear the little.
Yeah, but now here we are. My
Bless you.
I fought against piercing my nose, and my children pierce all of their facial features. You know what I mean? It's so crazy that I fought for all of those, and then here I am, children that don't really care for what I fought for.
You fought for the right to choose though. And then their choose.
Yeah.
That's what you fought.
Okay, when you put it that way.
I mean, you don't want to
Oh.
be like my dad who let me pierce my ears at 17 years old.
Oh, we all pierce our ears when we are babies.
No,
Not me.
he was like, no.
One.
For
1-year-old.
Yeah, a lot of babies do pierce things.
And then-
their ears grow and it's like off center.
Oh, I never thought about it, but everybody gets pierced. All babies get pierced for their first birthday, and you also shave your head, right, for your babies. And I refuse to shave my baby's head. My second child. Guess what? My second child is doing now.
she's shaving.
Going to a salon and pay $30 to get a buzz cut.
What?
Yeah.
Bro.
Hello.
David,
You shouldn't pay to get
let's go, bud.
Hey,
But, you know,
rebellious.
well,
she's taking after her mother.
They actually tried to a different. We only go to great clubs. They actually went to a different great club, and the person who did their buzz cut at that time was crazy. It didn't look good.
Oh.
I said, it's not looking good. So can you please change your person? It has to be like when the hair grows back. It's so weird. You know what I mean? Like the patterns on your head. It's not like bald, but when you get a
Little hair.
fresh buzz cut, it's good. But then if you have to do it in a certain way, so when it grows back, it doesn't look bad.
when I have my buzz, like this part in the middle will grow, or like
Yeah, so
stick
like
out a
weird,
lot
but,
more.
But they never actually, put it like way up. It's flat. Like they've had a basket for I don't know for
Like
how
mother
many
like
years?
daughter.
Like for the past 3 years now.
So both of your babies.
Oh my
Is the
gosh.
answer to example 4 supposed to be 1?
Okay.
No,
God,
no,
that's
no.
this. Ooh,
We were
nice
supposed to
see,
keep
that's
stalling.
this. Good job, Blake.
No,
Okay.
bro. We were supposed
Okay,
to stay stalling.
We completed the square. Flashback, completed the square.
Yes.
Okay, you don't know what to do with that x plus 2 and you're also confused. I'm going to change the x plus 2 to a different variable. Give me a variable.
Theta.
No.
Oh.
You. Because we will be using theta later. Okay, so now du is dx. Instead of all in x, it's all in u. Now does it match what we have for tangent?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so now our u is tangent theta. Du is what's the derivative of tangent?
Secant.
Good job. Secant square theta.
Yeah.
D theta. So now we have
Excuse
secant
me?
square theta over square root tangent square theta plus 4. Oh, my bad. Oh, I missed something. Sorry. 2. Yeah, there has to be a 2 here.
Yeah.
There we go. There we go. Okay, so now
You factor out the 4 and you get secant square.
Yep.
of the bottom.
you factor out the 4 and then you get secant square theta, the same thing that we've been doing. And then 2 secant square theta, d theta over 2 secant theta. Gone, gone, gone. What's the antiderivative of secant theta? Good job. ln tangent theta plus secant theta plus c. Here is a problem. We have to go back and double substitute
Excuse me.
because we have to go back to x. But from theta we go back to u, from u we go back to x. Okay? What did we say u was?
X plus 2.
No, like 2
2 tan theta.
tangent theta. Okay. So theta would be what?
U over 2.
U over 2. But we know what u was. What was u?
X plus 2.
Yeah.
This is why I asked you if it would be okay with that, like cutting the middleman out, you know?
Who's the
What?
middleman?
The u was the middleman. Okay, now coming back here.
Wait.
So
wait.
Alan. Ooh, this is a good problem.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, I'm waiting.
Go ahead, I guess.
Tangent of, instead of theta, what do we put?
U?
Tangent inverse of x plus 2 over 2
Oh yeah.
It has to be tangent of x.
plus, still all within absolute value, nothing has changed. X plus 2 over 2 close absolute value plus c. No. Remember, we can't leave it like this. See how ugly it is?
I'm not even on the. I'm like.
Why are you all laughing? Are you just laughing out of stress? Is that what is happening?
Yes.
I'm 5 steps behind Steve.
Okay, when you take take a function of an inverse, what happens?
I'm there for
You-
What is tangent of a tangent inverse of 2?
Tangent inverse.
I have no idea.
Just 2.
But wouldn't the twos cancel out?
It's just these two, yep.
Oh my gosh, my head.
Give me a last two.
Yep.
Wait.
Why is it?
It's like saying square root of 2 squared, right?
The square and the square root.
Yeah,
cancel.
and then you just get whatever. Okay, let's just make this 4. So 4.
Why is
Wait.
the x plus 2 over 2 equals 2?
No, not this.
Oh.
This is I went on a side quest. over
Okay.
here.
Okay.
This thing, which one are you asking me?
The x plus 2.
Why is it x plus 2 over 2?
You can simplify that?
No, you can't. But since we are taking a function and its inverse of something, these two will cancel each other out.
So it's just the
It's
sum.
just x plus 2 over 2.
Okay. Never mind.
So
yeah.
this part, I'm only talking about this part. This is x plus 2 over 2. Not this one. We have to make a triangle for that one.
Okay.
I'm gonna call this whole thing as theta because it's gonna return an angle regardless of what that theta is. Now, tangent inverse would be what? Opposite over adjacent.
Yep.
Adjacent.
So this is opposite to theta, x plus 2. This is adjacent. Then we need to find our hypotenuse, which would be,
X plus 2 squared plus 2 squared.
yep. So x plus 2 quantity squared, I'm gonna put that like that, plus 2 squared is 4. So now secant of the theta would be hypotenuse over adjacent because it's the reciprocal of cosine. Hypotenuse is square root of x plus 2. Don't miss out any parentheses. Don't make sure everything is perfect. Over adjacent, which is 2, plus c. Now, if you put this on Symbolab, I am pretty sure Symbolab simplifies this, and I don't care for simplifying, so I'm just going to combine the numerators because we have the same denominator, and call it good. I really don't care if you have to like expand the x plus 2 squared and then add the 4 and combine, like I don't care for any of those. Should we do improper integral tomorrow?
What improper integral?
New learning, Nelson. Just to clarify. Or do you need a breather
I need
tomorrow? So I can check your homework. You can do the portfolio problem in class with your friends
we don't have
from
a
your
choice.
group. And
Is this like an actual choice question or
no, I'm
whatever?
actually giving you a choice
Oh,
question.
Oh.
And review, so you can do the quiz on Thursday, and then I will do improper integral. I don't even know, I have to check if the quiz has improper integrals on it.
The quiz will have this and whatever we did
This
last.
is the end, improper integral will be the last topic for integration techniques.
Okay, thank you.
And then we will switch to a different topic, which is differential equations. That's for like, I don't know, 2 or 3 days.
That sounds easier.
And then you have your exam
Oh.
I'm asking.
with the combination of all of these.
Oh God. The quiz will have what we have done today.
Yes, everything trig will be on quiz.
Everything from
Whatever
last
you,
week.
when was your last quiz? Last week?
Yes.
Everything that we did after that will be on this quiz.
But the stuff we did after that, some of it's just like.
Mostly trig.
We got this,
Yeah.
guys.
Trig, but
Yes.
Are there gonna be any like algebra?
Integration by parts. Integration by parts. Trig integrals that we did, like, sine, cosine, all of those, combinations of those last week. And then the trig substitutions. I have to look if I included the improper integral last time. If I didn't, great. tomorrow you can use the time to do some calculus.
So, no tabular.
Can I use right now to nap?
We
Huh?
gotta,
No?
No tabular integration.
Integration by parts consist of that method, so
Oh, okay.
you have to decide if you need to do a tabular integration for that integration by parts or normal integration by parts.
Is it a no linear partial fraction?
Was it after the quiz that we did or before? Let me check actually, since we are done. I would highly recommend that you do all these try now, and then I'm gonna bring more problems from the microscope.
try now. How do you even understand the whole
That's why I'm giving you time to understand it. I can understand it for you. That's the thing about Calc 2. Since you have been chosen to do this, I can't understand things for you. I can't.
So it was better not to be chosen.
How do you stop